Hi, I'm painting these lovely two parrots sitting on a branch. I have made an outline of the parrots and I've totally soaked my paper with water. And as I done then, the head portion of the parrot on the right, I dropped in pink, then I dropped in orange, right wet on wet. And because there's so much water on the paper, the paint just spread on its own. And the second parrot, on the left, I have dropped in purple, orange, yellow, and his beautiful feathers I'm going to do in deeper purple. And the parrots are going to come out so beautiful, but your paper should definitely be very wet. See that the paper does not collect water in puddles, and if it does, just remove the excess water with your brush and then just drop in the paints. Now we pull out his beak with orange and a little orange mixed with purple. I am just using the colors on my palette. I'm not taking out new colors and making very rainbow looking parrots, very, very colorful parrots. So dropping in more green. When it dries up, I keep dropping in more colors, giving an outline to the parrot, gives it a little form, and I'll keep on pushing in water and dropping in colors. And the head is red. Again, I'm outlining it. Neatly. Right now the parrots don't look very, very good, but please keep dropping in your colors, and then slowly you'll see what happens once we put in the eyes. An animal never looks like an animal unless we put in the eyes. And I leave the eyes for last because they're black and somehow it spreads onto my painting. So be careful about the eyes, but as soon as you put in the eyes, it is going to really look like a parrot. There. Both the parrots have a form now. Dropping in a little more green, a little more white to give it some dimension over here, and blending the white with the colors that are already there. The undertone glaze the paint. This is called glazing. Putting very light coats of paint on your project is called glazing. And by doing that, what happens is the undertones shine out. The undertones shine out. The parrots are now definitely showing a beautiful form. They look like parrots, and now we are just dropping in shades for the branch and some leaves on the side. Okay, we are going to give it a darker hue on the eye.